And the next ingredient here is this beautiful yellow corgetti, which we're going to take a quarter off of as well, just like that. Knob the end off. Okay, and this one here we're going to want to do the same, 1/4 inch. The next ingredient are these beautiful bright red vibrant little mini San Marzano cherry tomatoes here that we have. They are gorgeous. We need 1 cup of these for the recipe, and all we're going to do is half them. They're just so beautiful inside and full of flavor. Look at that, it's popping. That's gonna add for beautiful sauce in this roasted Mediterranean Corgetti dish. So we have 1 cup of these beautiful that we're just gonna half. These are going to pop in the oven. Gorgeous. Okay, now the very next 2 ingredients that we have going in this beautiful Mediterranean Corgetti dish that we have is 3 garlic cloves, our 2 large ones. We have only medium ones, so we went with 3. And some pitted olives that we have here that we've already de-pitted and halved. That's all we need to do. A 1/4 cup of those. For the garlic, we're just going to microplane the garlic. The next ingredient we have going into this beautiful dish here is a potato.